Hi everyone, and welcome to week 2. Since this class is partly asynchronous, I'll start each week on Monday with a short video explaining what you need to get done for the week. So I'm going to scroll down in our classroom here to week 2. So inside of this week 2 media folder, I have all the things you should read or watch or pay attention to for the week. So I have a short video on Howard Gardner's multiple intelligences theory, a handout kind of explaining the theory of multiple intelligences, another handout about Maslow's hierarchy of needs explained, and then a video that is a TED Talk called Fake It Till You Make It. There's also a handout that is I Say, They Say templates, and this is a really important page that we're going to keep coming back to throughout the semester. And this shows you how to interact with source material and gives you ways to do that according to academic English. So I want you to make sure that you read those templates really carefully and be prepared to use them in your assignments this week. So you have 2 assignments this week, a multiple intelligence response and a hierarchy of needs response. I've also included this week a sample personal narrative. This is a paper that was written by a former student that I think is good and also has room for improvement. It's an interesting piece to talk about. I'd like you to come to class tomorrow having at least done a quick read of it so that we're prepared to talk about what the writer is doing well, what the writer should do for revision, and any questions that come up for you as you read this sample paper. Of course, it's just a sample, and it's not a professionally written piece. It's something that was written by one of your peers who has given me permission to de-identify it and use it as a sample in this class so that we can meaningfully talk about writing that is done by local students. So your 2 assignments this week, one is the multiple intelligence response. And in this assignment, I'm asking you to write a 1 to 2 page response that, first of all, summarizes multiple intelligence theory. How can you say what that theory is, but in your own words? And then secondly, is it some kind of an analysis where you apply that information to yourself? And this is one way that you can start kind of thinking about your personal narrative and what you might want to hone in on, what's important to you to write about in that narrative. We are also writing a really similar assignment about the hierarchy of needs. So you're going to do a summary of Maslow's hierarchy of needs. You're also going to summarize the Fake It Till You Make It video and write an analysis about yourself based on that information, and then you'll use the They Say, I Say templates to help you interact with these sources of information. So this way of providing a summary and an analysis is a good way for you to start thinking about academic writing and the way that we start to approach a topic over time. So all of the assignments over the next few weeks are going to be building up to this Essay 1 personal narrative. So you should read through this assignment so you have it in the back of your head as you're moving forward and know that this is the goal in week 6 to turn in this personal narrative, and all of the work that we're doing over the next few weeks will build up to it. I look forward to seeing you all in class tomorrow. Let me know if you have any questions.